Besties, your wish is my command. You asked for a breakdown of the mac and cheese recipes, so here you go. I know Thanksgiving is past, but this could be a bomb side dish for Sunday dinner. So first I'm gonna boil my cavatappi pasta till al dente, then melt a stick of butter, pour that over your pasta, and I'm gonna beat 3 eggs. Yes, I said eggs, it's good, I promise. And dice up half a block of Velveeta cheese. Listen, it adds an undeniable creaminess. Do not come for me. Please shred your own cheese. It makes such a difference. I shredded sharp white cheddar, Kobe, and smoked Gouda. Then added in my eggs and about 2 cups of heavy cream. I also added about a tablespoon of seasoned salt and half a tablespoon of black pepper. And I mixed that until well combined. I added some sharp cheddar to the top, then added that into a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. I wanted to show you guys one of the main dishes that I made. I bought this already spatchcocked chicken, cleaned her up real good with lemon. I was out of vinegar and I had to make it do what it do. I made some compound butter using a stick of Kerrygold,
a tablespoon of smoked paprika, caramelized onion butter seasoning, the blend seasoning, Italian seasoning.
Spread the butter mixture all over my bird and added her into a 400-degree oven for an hour. She came out so juicy and flavorful, and my sides came out the bomb too. I got that fully from scratch green bean casserole recipe here from TikTok. Please tag the creator. It was lap your mama good. As a mom of 3, some days I'm just exhausted. Here's a time-saving tip for you. Start relying on your dishwasher in Cascade Platinum Plus. Even with a crusty dish like that, Cascade Platinum Plus gets it clean without a pre-rinse. I'm sure my besties who are parents get it. Anything that we can save time on makes a big difference. Now I have more time to kick back, relax, and enjoy some me time. And when I'm done, so are those dirty dishes. I'm so glad I can reclaim my time with Cascade Platinum Plus.